rich chocolate, beautiful presentation, and just in time for Valentine's Day. Yeah. Liz Bushong back in our studio.
Oh,
we've missed you.
Thank you. I've missed being here.
Out running around,
just
making all kinds of goodies. Yes.
Yeah.
And today you're making goodies for us.
Yes, dark chocolate mocha cupcakes. And it has whipped cream frosting, so it's really light. It's not heavy. So we're going to whip all this up. But before I do that, I have a shout out to a friend of mine who had a birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Patty Neese from Jonesboro.
Oh, happy birthday! Are you going to bring her a cupcake?
I probably will.
You should.
She'll like it. Okay, this is a half a cup of warm water, and we're going to dissolve chocolate in this. I'll let you stir that if you would, until that's really blended. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil.
This smells so good.
Doesn't that smell good?
Yeah.
Now we mix it in the warm water just to help to get the chocolate, you know, emulsified, and you can get that, shake that off, and bang that off, and set that right there.
How'd I do?
You did perfect.
Not bad, huh? Okay.
All right. 1 cup of sugar, and I'll let you crack an egg and put in there.
Oh, okay. You're really trusting me today, cracking an egg.
Cracking
eggs always makes me nervous.
And then we have a half a cup of vegetable oil.
Okay.
And then a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there, just a little bit of that. And then we're going to mix it.
Okay. Now is this going to make about a dozen?
This makes exactly a dozen. And what I love about these cupcakes, they're flat on the top so you can frost. They don't have that big old dome, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So what we're doing here is we're just we're going to add the dry ingredients to the liquid.
Okay, so which is our flour?
Yes, 3/4 cup of flour, a teaspoon of soda, and a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and put the salt and the soda in there.
Okay.
And then you can go ahead and add that. This is a really fast batter, and it's all, you know, done by homemade. So.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Little at a time, or
Nope,
just kind of
dump
throw
it
it in?
in.
Oh, well, nice.
Dump it. This is almost like a dump cake, kind of, sort of. Not really.
You're just trying to make us all feel better. Like, we can do this. We can do this at home today or tomorrow.
Yes.
Whip these up for Valentine's Day.
Exactly. And you don't have to beat it too long. In fact, I'm going to stop, I think.
Okay.
And then we're going to add our chocolate chips.
Oh.
I added mini chocolate chips.
Okay.
And there's no mocha in this particular cake batter, so this is a basic, you know, chocolate cupcake recipe.
Okay. So the mocha comes in with the frosting.
The mocha is, it's in the frosting, but it's also, we're going to brush it on top of the cooked cupcakes.
Oh.
So it's like a little glaze, which is really, really good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get this stuff out of the way, and we'll move that over.
I love how prepared you always are. Look at you.
I just like to be prepared. So I use an ice cream scoop because this batter is really soupy.
Okay.
It's a lot more soupier than others, and so then you can fill your cupcake pan like that.
And you can see the chocolate chips in there, so they're going to be nice and rich. And so don't get concerned that your batter's not real thick.
Exactly. Okay. So let's move this tray over.
And we're done with that
And we're done with that, and here we have the cooked cupcakes. Because I want to show you the frosting, and the frosting is really great.
Boy, you weren't kidding. They are nice and flat on the top.
Yeah, they're nice and flat. So I took a fork and went through it, and if you want to, you can put just a little bit of glaze. Now that is mocha, well actually espresso and a little bit of water, and you just brush it over the top of the cupcake, and I'm going to get our...
Okay, so wait, this is espresso and just a little bit of water?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you let them cool, and then we're just brushing this?
Yes.
Okay.
And so that will soak into the cupcake and give it more of a mocha flavor, which is really, really good.
Nice. Okay.
And then for the frosting, it's whipped cream, and I used heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And you just whip it, and you put a little bit of, like 2 tablespoons of coffee extract, like this, the coffee syrup that we just made, into the whipped cream, whip it up, and then you pipe it, and you just pipe there around, and this is a tip 1M.
Okay.
If anybody's interested in that, and then we can add our little coffee bean.
Garnish.
Yes, and I like to put it in a decorative cup just because it's kind of fun.
Well, and everything is, we always talk about the presentation.
Yes, we have to have
it's so pretty.
presentation.
And this nice and light to go with our cupcake.
Yes. Oh, you got to taste this.
Oh.
Do you want to?
Well, sure.
Yes, okay.
Twist my arm.
Yeah, try it. You'll love it because it's really, really light.
We'll give it a try. And while I'm trying this, tell people where they can find you because you're very social. She's on every social network.
Except Facebook. I'm not on Facebook. But Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all that good stuff. All the fun stuff.
Everybody's kind of drooling
all the
right
creative stuff, yes. But it's lizbushong.com. Check it out. Subscribe because I have a a little free gift that they can get
nice.
when they go on there.
And you're on YouTube, lots of different videos and how-tos on YouTube. This is delicious.
Isn't that good?
Oh my goodness. And that whipped topping
I
really makes the cupcake. There is the information, lizbushong.com, as she mentioned, also on YouTube and Instagram. When we come back, she's making a dessert board. It's beautiful, and it's coming out.